Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Zelda Ocarina of Time 3D on your personal computer. This guide will walk you through each step, from acquiring the necessary software to configuring your settings. You'll be able to relive Link's epic adventure with improved visuals and the convenience of PC gaming. Get ready to embark on a nostalgic journey with a modern twist, experiencing Hyrule like never before. First, you'll need to acquire two key components: a Nintendo 3DS emulator and the game itself. Popular emulators like Citra allow you to run 3DS games on various operating systems. Make sure you have a legally obtained game file, often in a .3dsx or .cif format. Once downloaded, store both the emulator and game file in a convenient location on your computer for easy access during setup. Next, launch your chosen emulator and load your Ocarina of Time 3D game file. Navigate to the configuration menus to fine-tune your experience. You can often increase the internal resolution to 2 or 3 times the original for sharper visuals. Crucially, set up your controls by mapping keyboard keys or a gamepad to Link's movements and actions. Experiment with different settings to find what works best for your system. With your emulator configured, you are now ready to dive into the world of Hyrule. Enjoy the classic gameplay with the benefits of modern PC hardware, including potentially higher frame rates and clearer textures. Many emulators offer features like save states, allowing you to save and load your progress at any point. Explore community-created texture packs for even more visual enhancements, bringing this beloved title to life in stunning detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.